This man had more than 160 fractures across his body. His skull alone was broken in 61 places. But the shocking part? He died in 1304. His secret remained buried for nearly 700 years. Then, in 1997, archaeologists began excavating beneath Stirling Castle. They discovered a human skeleton known as Skeleton 150. Its condition raised a terrifying question. What could have caused such devastating injuries? A sword couldn't do this. An arrow couldn't either. The evidence pointed to something far more powerful. A massive impact. And medieval Scotland had the perfect weapon. A trebuchet. These enormous war machines could hurl giant stones hundreds of meters. But during the siege of Stirling Castle, something even more terrifying was being used. A gigantic trebuchet known as Warwolf. A gigantic trebuchet known as Warwolf. Could Skeleton 150 have been struck by one of its massive projectiles? One stone. Hundreds of meters through the air. And one human life ended in a single moment. But one mystery remains. We still don't know his name. His identity disappeared. But his shattered bones may have finally revealed how he died. 700 years later, the weapon may still be telling his story. If you want to discover more shocking mysteries from history, like this video and subscribe for more.